Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create your composition book cover. So I started out with a blank canvas and I went to a previous design that I did and I copied the line to create as the spine of the book. Went to element and I searched for composition notebooks, and then I click on see all and I went for that design there. It's the standard or basic design for a composition book. I sized it to fit here, and now I am going to go ahead and duplicate it for the other side. I went back to duplicate the spine of the book because I deleted it earlier. Okay, after I size that to fit, I am going to change the color of the composition design, and the color that I went with was red. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. I just did that to show you guys that that's an option. I also changed the color of the spine just to let you guys know that that's an option as well. I went with black because black was better for this design. And now I am going to customize my composition notebook. The part where you guys will put your name and class, that is completely optional. I'm just showing you guys how to do it just in case you guys would like to do it that way instead of choosing the ones that Canva have in elements. Okay, I size the line to fit and I'm going to duplicate this 2 times. And now I'm going to make sure there is enough space for you, my customers to write their names. And as you can see in Canva, it also calculates the spacings of the lines for you, so you guys don't have to do too much. And now I went back to elements and I'm going to search for composition notebooks again, and I'm just going to go with one of the designs that Canva have in store here. Went with the first one. Guys, please select your background so to prevent it from moving. And now I'm going to do that and move it to the left just to show you guys the difference between the two. You guys can always choose the one that best suits you, and I decided to went with the one that the most is over and over, and I'm going to delete this one. And I added in my information, made in Jamaica, and the size of the book and the number of pages. You guys can do that, but this is totally optional. And now I'm sizing to fit. Okay, and that would be it. It is simple as that, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.